So hello everyone, this is Roadrunner. This is my bike and which is not CBR. So today I'm not on CBR, I'm on my Suzuki GS 150R. So let's roll.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.
You can see it's pouring. It's pouring heavily. Things cannot be worse to do vlog, but still I'm out. Actually, you people must have seen this bike in many of my vlogs which I have made in my garage. So it was always there parked just by the side of CBR. But then I realized I never really introduced this bike, and it's been almost 6 months since I have started my channel. So I thought, why not introduce this bike properly? So I hope the camera angle is correct, because I have not tested it. I have directly started shooting. So yeah, I thought, why not introduce this properly? What a cunt. So why not introduce this properly? And because I anyways have to top up the fuel, and so I thought, let's make a vlog of it. I desperately need a pin lock shield, because this thing keeps fogging. This shield keeps fogging. Oh damn, it's pouring pretty heavily. I'm not sure even if you can see it. Let me check. Is the lens clear? Yeah, I'm just hoping that it'll be clear, because I cannot constantly keep cleaning it. But it's fun. So yes, this is my GS 150R, and I use this bike for commuting. Actually, I don't always take my CBR to the office. In fact, I don't go directly to the office on my bike. I just do that on rare occasions, on like Fridays and Saturdays. So for the rest of the days I travel by train. So for that I have to park my bike, because the station is far from my home. So I have to park this bike in a public parking. So this does the job actually pretty good. Goes like crazy. Damn, it's pouring like crazy, man. Shit. Come on, it's like paining, yaar. Now the raindrops are. So this bike is very smooth, very smooth. The first thing is that the throttle is very smooth. It's not as jerky as CBR. Obviously CBR is packed with more punch, so that eventually comes, and I'm not complaining about that either. So now I have bought this bike in 2012, and it has done something around 25 and 7, like 26, around almost 26,000 kilometers by now. And this is the first bike. Yes people, this is the one. First bike, first love, whatever you want to call it. अरे बापा, बाजू हो ना. Oh people, as you can see, it is pouring super heavy. I'm just gonna stop for some time and gonna have a look at the things I have in my pocket. So there you go people, that's my bike, and this is what is happening right now. Oh god, the rain is crazy. It will, obviously. Mm. So, yes, the pin lock will help a lot. A lot, I mean a lot. See, every now and then even if I breathe, it gets foggy inside because the temperature on the inside and the outside varies, and this shit happens. Yeah, that all you know already. So the pin lock or something I need for the shield, and for my camera's casing also, so that water won't remain on the lens cover as well as my shield. And I hope this vlog won't turn out to be boring one, but it's something I've been planning to do from the morning itself, but couldn't get time and motivation, to be honest, to go out in such a rain. When I wear my SOL, noise goes down to a very good extent, and yeah, it's a pretty good helmet. That's all I can say. Anyways, even if I pass by your side on this bike, you will never notice me because I wear my old Vega helmet on this bike, which is gone. Which is gone. When I'm on this bike, I'm in stealth mode. There is no way you can. Anyways, not many people know me. There are very few instances where someone have asked me that are you road runner, and most of them recognize my bike and not me. They don't recognize me because I haven't shown my face many times in the video. So yeah, all they know is my CBR. But I do have another bike, and this is the bike, and this is gonna be the second phase of my channel, I am telling you. And anyways, I want to tell you that I am planning for a longish ride, which I don't know how long, but I am thinking probably somewhere in next month, but it's not yet sure. So let's see. And I've been out for like 2-3 weeks, haven't uploaded any video. I had many pending videos, but I had content, but I had no time. So they are practicing, but बहुत Robert's bike है. I do minimal maintenance and maximum use, and still she haven't given up on me. माँ कसम, अगर ये CBR के साथ करूँ ना तो CBR मेरी पैंट उतरवा दे. So I guess that is the end of this vlog with my Suzuki, my very first vlog. I hope you have liked it, and yes, I'll be regular with the uploads now. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you for watching. Bye, take care, and ride safe. Whoa.